Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to repair your heavily damaged feet instantly. So I go to my dock, view fleets, and here you can see my Marauder fleet is heavily damaged, and it needs 17 minutes 3 seconds to repair. So I haven't started repairing it. This way is going to save you a lot of time. So first of all, you remove this off, except remove this 4 flagships. Now this one only remains. Here you can see 2 minutes 44 seconds. And when start repair, and you can now speed up because it is less than 5 minutes, so instant. And you do this for every flea you have. Start repair, speed up, instant. Select, start repair, speed up, instant. Select, start repair, speed up, instant. Select, start repair, speed up, instant. So this way you can save a lot of time and fix your ships very fast. Thanks for watching, guys.